Good day, HSAians. Welcome to philoMATHics, where you can watch, learn, and fall in love with the beauty of mathematics. For our first episode, we will talk about the history and origin of symbols for basic operations in math. Did you know that the first time we used plus and minus symbols can be dated back to the 14th century, while the multiplication and division signs were invented in the 16th century? It is interesting to know that mathematicians originally wrote their mathematical operations in proper sentences, which wasted a lot of their time. Therefore, to save it, they start to adapt system of symbols. So let's take a look at how basic math symbols for equals to, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division came into life. In the 16th century, Robert Ricord, a Welsh physician and mathematician, introduced the book The Whetstone of White to teach English students algebra. But he was getting tired of writing and repeating the words is equal to over and over again. His solution? He replaced those words with two parallel horizontal lines representing is equal to. Later on, more mathematicians began to use it, and it became the standard symbol for equality. Fun fact, the terms plus and minus come from the Latin language. Plus means more and minus means less. The origin of addition and subtraction symbols can be traced back to the 14th and 15th centuries. The plus sign is derived from condensing the word et, meaning end. 𝓜𝓪𝓽𝓱 𝓕𝓪𝓬𝓽𝓼, a French philosopher, used this symbol as a version of et in his work 𝓵𝓲𝓲𝓬𝓪 proportional. On the other hand, the origin of minus symbol is still unclear and unknown. Both plus and minus symbols gained popularity and were adopted after Johannes Wiedemann used it in his book Mercantile Arithmetic. Many people have often mistaken the multiplication symbol as the lowercase of the letter x, but it isn't. In fact, the symbol is called the cross of St. Andreas. The symbol gained popularity in the 16th century when William Oughtred, an English mathematician, used it in his book Clavis Mathematicae in 1631. Like any other primary symbols in math, the division sign has had multiple variants over the years. Still, the most common and popular ones are the obolus and the solidus or fraction bar. Obolus was first used by Johann Rahn, a Swiss mathematician, in his algebra book 𝓭𝓲𝓲𝓬𝓽𝓼 in 1659. On the other hand, the solidus or the fraction bar was introduced by Augustus de Morgan in 1845. In conclusion, without these symbols, we'd face a lot of text and a long list of operations in words and sentences in our solutions. So let's give thanks to those mathematicians who made our life and solving easier. Until next time, HSAians, see you again on the next episode of philoMATHics.